Nice. Now this is the third level of the hip press up mobility. Again, 2 is too easy. At this stage, I already can do the full press up, and then I'm gonna turn the hip to the side. I'm gonna demonstrate. So I start on the press up position, so down. I'm gonna bring my foot in, turn to the side completely. So this leg is straight, I'm sitting back. Ideally without the hand, but that's too much. I'm gonna use my hand to adjust my weight. Come back, the press up to the other side. I'm gonna step first, turn, sit back as low as I can, come back, press up. There, turn, note my toes are pointing up, come back. Don't rush through this until you get used to it. Okay, so take your time, get out, get used to the motion and the steps and the drill first before you add speed into it. I hope that helped, and I see you on the next one.